trying out different recipes from around the world. Jalebi edition, India. I am a little bit under the weather just in case I sound weird, but the show must continue. We have our all purpose flour, our baking soda, cornstarch or corn flour, food color, and some yogurt. The first time I tasted jalebi, okay, the first and the only time I tasted jalebi, I was young. We had Indian neighbors and they had a celebration. They invited us and we had so much fun. Add some water. The color is supposed to be orange or yellow. Turns out I bought pink, but in my defense, I thought it was going to turn into orange, but it's just color, so I don't think it's going to affect anything. After mixing everything together, we put our dough aside for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to be preparing our sugar solution. So our cute pot, some water, sugar, some cardamoms. I have the chip type, and some lemon for flavor. The cardamom and the lemon for flavor, of course. Then mix. We want the water to reduce. I actually did put less sugar than I should have done, but oh well, sugar is expensive. Dance, because I must dance, and I'm so talented. So dance. I don't have a piping bag, so I'm going to use a Ziploc bag. On the hot oil, we are pouring our jalebi dough. We're supposed to do it in circular motion. That is what they did on the recipes. But this shape is not shaping, but I'll keep trying. And if it doesn't give, I'll just say we are not eating shape. Because we're not. You never eat sheep. We just on the jalebi. Yeah. Off camera, I did add some sugar to our solution because it was so light, and as it boils, it simmers for a while, I'm going to be dancing for you because I'm so talented. I was supposed to be a dancer. Yes. And here is our sugar solution. We are dipping our jalebi into the sugar solution for about 5 seconds or so. Yeah. And our jalebi is ready even though it's pinky color. Let's do some testing. Oh, it tastes so good, so good. But from what I remember from when I was a child, I think mine are just a little bit hard. At least they're not soggy, but they're just a little bit hard. I don't know how you make yours. If you have any tips for me, please write them down on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Also, watch our other videos so that YouTube can start paying us. Yes, thank you.